What's up guys, welcome back again to our YouTube channel, and if it's your first time here, please consider subscribing, like this video, share to all your friends. So guys, today I just want to go out. I want to associate with some of my friends who are working hard to see how they normally do their work, and one thing, I'm going to introduce you to a certain product, and I feel like it's just in general. Okay.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
I did from the
Okay.
It's what I study. No.
Wait. So I'm going to introduce you to a certain brand product here that you, as a man or as a car lover, you will definitely need it. So I'm going to introduce you to Zfana. It's a professional tool whereby you can get 9 pieces hose clamp plier set, and here it is. You can see how it is. So here we have a angle close clamp. As you can see, it has a bend on its end here. So and this one here is a ear clamp. For ear clamp, I will put on the screen so that you can see. So this here is a screwdriver. For those hose clamps that still use screw, you can be able to use this one.